Hi, my name is Daniela, and this is my husband, Sorin now. We recently sold our house in Hacienda Heights through Your Home Sold Realty. The reason for selling our home is to relocate on to the East Coast, to be close to our family. Our experience with Michelle and Rudy was amazing. In a week, we are already in escrow. She was already there for us, all the time there for us, anytime we needed her help, her advice. And we are really, really happy that the process finished so fast and we are able to finally go together. Because as I said, in around a week we are already in escrow, and it helped us a lot. We are really happy.
And I'm a very difficult guy, so I ask so many questions to Michelle, and got always fast response. And thank you very much, Michelle.
Yes, taking the surface street one time to get home, I saw the billboard on Huntington Boulevard and Rosemead Boulevard. So we called Rudy's office, and from there we start the process with your company. Getting together pretty fast, being together, that's the main reason. Oh yes, we are moving to the East Coast, to Virginia, and
yeah, it was very important to sell it. 2,400 miles the distance. We are in Virginia right now. We really wanted to sell it fast because otherwise it was painful.
We need to be together. That's the main. We need to be together as a family. So it's really important to sell it fast, so we can unite and
together,
yes, get back together.
So we will recommend. We were very happy with your guys, and we will recommend with Michelle, and we will recommend your company to our friends or family to go through your company if they want to sell or buy another house.